Good morning, students. We'll start predictor and corrector methods. In that, first we have Adams-Bashforth method. You're hearing now? Sorry, in that first one Milnes method, then Adams-Bashforth method. First we need to write formula. So this is the formula. Milnes method, write this formula. Y4 of p is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This is predictor, means it will predict the value. Around this value, the accurate value will come. This corrector value will make this predictor value more accurate. Y4 of c is equal to y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. This is correct formula. Write the formula. Okay, written down the formula. Next, similarly, write Adams-Bashforth formula. Write Adams-Bashforth formula. This is Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formula. If you have any problem, you can just message me. I will start with the problem. After that, if you have any doubts, then you can ask. Working procedures also, no need to worry about this. I will directly go to problem, then you will understand. Okay, this is the problem. Apply Miller's method to compute y of 1.4 correct to 4 decimal places given dy by dx equal to x square plus y by 2 and the following data: y of 1 equal to 2, y of 1.1 equal to 2.2156, y of 1.2 equal to 2.4649, y of 1.3 equal to 2.7514. This is the complete problem. Okay, Miller's and Adams-Bashforth method both are almost similar. First we shall prepare the table. So this table is, first we shall prepare the following table x. Okay, write this table. Write x, write y dash equal to, I will just zoom out little bit. Construct table like this. Construct the table. Okay, x value, y dash value. You can write in all the problem, it will be same. X0, X1, X2. No, yeah. Same means I am not telling about the number. X0 will be there equal to, Y0 will be equal to, like that. X3, X4 equal to, Y3 equal to, Y4 equal to. After writing this, I am not writing numbers. I am just writing the table. X, Y dash equal to, not this also. Okay, by seeing the problem, we'll write these values. I'll clear everything. X0, this is X0 value. In here, write X0 equal to this, Y0 equal to this. Write X0 equal to this, then Y0 equal to this. Similarly, X1 equal to this, then Y1 equal to this, then x2 equal to this, y2 equal to this, then x3 equal to this, y3 equal to this. Okay, All the four values will be given in the problem itself. You need not find out. It will be given in the problem. After writing this, what we have to do? Okay, what is the doubt? Manik, raised your hand. What is the doubt? Then after this, what we have to do? X4. X4, how we can get to know what is the value of X4? Find y of 1.4. Y of 1.4, this is y x4. This is x4. We need to find what is the value of y at 1.4. That's why x4 is 1.4. Otherwise, you can see the difference. Here 1.1, 1.2, 0.1 is the difference. So x4 will be 1.3 plus 0.1. So that is 1.4. Automatically, that will be this value. Next, y dash. Where is y dash? I told in all the previous problems what we discussed, only dy by dx left hand side, all others values right hand side. So already dy by dx, only dy by dx left hand side. This is y dash. Y dash is x square plus y by 2. Now we just listed out the data: x naught values, y naught values, x values and y values. Y dash will be x naught square plus y naught by 2. X naught value is 1, 1 square plus y naught value is 2, 2 by 2, that is 2. So you got 2. Next, similarly, x1 value is 1.1, y value is 2.2156. So you got this also, y1 dash. Then similarly find out y2 dash, then y3 dash. Okay, those who have calci, you can use alpha. You can use alpha to find out these values. You know how to use alpha? If you don't know, tell me, I will explain. You don't know how to use alpha? Then take out your scientific calci. So alpha, first thing is when to use alpha. I am not explaining this. I am now explaining how to use alpha. First thing is when to use alpha. For example, when to use alpha is first question. If you have a formula like a plus b something into a plus 2b, like this, if we need to calculate this for different values, to find these for different values. For example, what is the value of this when a equal to, when a equal to 3, b equal to 7? What is the value of this when a equal to 2, b equal to 3? or what is the value of this when equal to -1 or b equal to plus minus 8? Means what we are doing here is we are treating this as a formula. Okay, we are just substituting the values. If you find out this using calci, what you will do, you will place 3 plus 7 into a value 3 plus 2 into 7, like this you will calculate now. And if you come to this again, what you will do, you will take 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, like this you will calculate. But it is taking more time. Here also 3 plus 7 into 3 plus 2 into 7 you are doing. So we are using same function for three different set of values. In such situation, we will use alpha. Okay, understood when to use alpha? When function is there, when different set of values will use, then we will use alpha. How to use? Press alpha in your scientific calci. Wait a minute, whether I will check whether it is possible to show you using internet. It's not able to show you in internet. I just tried that it is possible to show. So I will just share the image. I will explain step by step, then you will understand. Okay. Take out your calculus. It is difficult to search there, and it is a waste of time. I will explain like that only. Press alpha, then alpha, it is next to that shift. Press that. If you press that, press alpha, then above that AC symbol is there now, above that button, capital X is there. Press that. Press alpha, then display should be like this. Okay, you got this. Plus press alpha. Alpha is next to shift. You know shift button. Use that. Press alpha, then press capital X. Capital X, that will be above that AC row. AC row is there no? Above that row, it is there. Capital X. You got? Then press plus, because we are writing plus. Why? Because what we have x square plus y by 2, so square we have to put. Wait, square we have to put. X, before putting plus, take x square plus again alpha y, capital Y. That y will be again above that AC button only. Y by 2. Okay, you got this much. I need reply. You got this much. So only 5 to 6 of them are replying. Okay, after this, press CALC. That button is below that shift button only. CALC. Press CALC. In display, it will ask X question mark. Okay, it will ask X question mark. What was the first value of X? First value of X is 1. Give that 1. Give x1 1, then equals. After that, press equals. 1 equals. It will ask y question mark. Then press 2, press equals. Okay, it will show the answer. If you press equals, it will show the answer. So it will show answer as 2. 2. It will show the answer as 2. Write that as y dash. Below that y dash, write 2. Next, again press equals. Again press equals. Again it will ask x. Give new value of x, that is 1.1. Then equals. Again press. Again it will ask y question mark. Give 2 point something is there now. Give that, press equals. It will show answer. Okay, like this repeat for all the 4 set. Understood? Understood that? Understood using alpha. Okay, after finding out this, take the formula. Formula is, this is the formula, y4 of t, y naught plus 4h by 3, 2y1 dash minus y2 dash. This is the formula, y naught plus 4h by 3 plus into 2y dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. All the data we have, just substitute and find out y4 dash. All the data we have. Okay, all the data you have, y naught plus 4h by 3, this is the first formula, right? Yes, 4h by 3, 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Substitute all the values. You know, h value is difference between any two consecutive terms. This is the h. You will get 3.0793. Understood? Finding y4 dash. Then y4 of c, this is the formula, y2 plus 4, sorry, h by 3, y2 dash plus 4, y3 dash plus y4 dash. If you see this corrector formula, only small change is there. We have this value, this is y2. We have y2 dash, here we calculated. We have y3 dash, here we calculated. We have, we know h also, but we don't have this. We don't have this value. To find out this, use the given function. What is the given function? Y dash equal to x square plus y by 2. Y4 dash will be x4 square plus y4 by 2. What is x4? X4 is 1.2. Here we have x4. Here we have. Then what is y4? This for this y4 you have to use this answer what you got in predictor. Okay, y4 use what you got in predictor. So y4 dash will be 3.49965. Substitute that value also, you will get corrector formula answer after applying corrector. Understood? Understood or not? Okay, I will explain once again. Y4 of P, this is the formula. You have all the data. Y naught is this one. Here we have H is difference between these two. Then Y1 dash is this, Y2 dash is this, Y3 dash is this. H we calculated. Substitute all this. Then calculate using calc. You will get this much. After this, take corrector formula. This is corrector formula. This is corrector formula. For this, we have This is corrector formula. We have y2 we have here, then y2 dash we have here, then y3 dash we have here, h we know, sorry, not this, this y2, h also we have here. Okay, difference between these two, but we don't know what is y4 dash. To find out that, to find y4 dash, what we have to do, take the given function. What is the given function? Y dash equal to x square plus y by 2. This is the given function. Okay, y4 dash will be x4 plus y4 by 2. x4 square will be 1.4 whole square. y4 will be this one, we need to use. Okay, y4 is this, what you got in predictor, that one you need to use. Understood? Now after finding out this, just substitute, y4 dash, y3 dash, y2 dash, h and y2, you will get y4 of c. Understood? So this is the method. We'll go to next problem. If dy by dx equal to 2 e power x minus y, y of 0 equal to 2, this much, find y of 0.4, correct to 4 decimal places by using Milner's predictor and corrector formula. Apply the corrector formula twice. This is the only difference. This last sentence, apply the corrector formula twice. This is the difference. First thing is we need to construct the table. Write x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Then x0. Where is x0 starting value? This is the x0 value. This is x0. This is x1. This is x2. Then this one is x3. Okay, x4 is 0.4 only. Next again, y0 is this, y1 is this, y2 is this, then y4 is this, sorry, y3. Then we need to write y dash. Y dash is again this one, 2 e power x minus y. Calculate all this using alpha. Y0 dash is equal to this much, 2 e power 0. E power 0 y, e x naught, e power x naught. E power x naught value is 0. E power 0 minus 2. That is 2 minus 2, 0. Like this you calculate. Formula is y4 of p equal to y0 plus 4h by 3, 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Substitute all the values. y0 is 2. Here we have y0. Then y1 dash is this. Then y2 dash is this. y3 dash is this. Sorry. y1 dash this one, y2 dash this one, y3 dash this one. Then h is difference between these two. Difference is 0.1. Difference is 0.1. Okay, if you substitute, you will get 2.1623. Next, y4 of c is y2 plus h by 3, y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. All the data we have, only y4 dash we don't have. To find y4 dash, we have y dash. We have y dash as 2 e power x minus y. So y4 dash will be 2 e power x4 minus y4. x4 is 0.4. y4 is this one. y4 is 2.1623. This is y4. x4 is 0.4. Okay, you'll get 0.8213. Substitute that value here, calculate, you will get y4 of c. Okay, but in this question, one more sub question is there. Apply the corrector formula twice. Apply the corrector formula twice. For that, we need to write corrector formula again. Write this corrector formula again. y2 equal to h by 3, y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. But everything will be same. Only change is y4 dash will change. This last value, y4 dash. What is that y4 dash? Previously, y dash equal to 2 e power x minus y. This we had. y4 dash here will change us to 2 e power x 4 minus y4 of c. Okay, y4 of, you can take this as c1. Corrector formula one time, corrector formula two time. Okay, so here only difference is this one. If you apply corrector formula twice, this will change. That's all. Everything will be same. This will be same. This will be same. This will be same. This will be same. Only this is the question mark. So how to find this? By using this. What is the change here? Again, if you come to this will be same. This will be same. Sorry. This will be same. This will be same. Instead of this, you need to take this value y4 of c1. Okay, that is the only change. So calculate this, you will get y of 0.4. Understood? Applying corrector formula twice. Understood or not? Only few of them are replying. Okay. Next problem. You can try this, take this as homework. Find y of 1.4. Take this third problem. I will just solve this third problem as homework. I will go to fourth one. Try this third problem. Try to solve. Don't see these notes and notes which I sent you. Try to solve this. I'll give 5 minutes. Try to solve this. If you get any doubts, you can ask. Solve that. Just I will explain fourth one. Everybody try to solve. When you listen, it seems like very easy, but many of them will do the mistake. 70 to 80% of them do the mistake while calculating only. Therefore, solve all the problems. I'll just explain this fourth problem. Given 2 dy by dx equal to x plus y and y of 0 equal to 2, y of 0.5 equal to this much. By evaluate y of 2, y4 of p. So first write the table x, y dash. I told only dy by dx should be left hand side, all other values should be right hand side. So if you take 2 this side, x plus y by 2 will be. It will become x plus y divided by 2. So list out all the data, then find out y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. Then take the formula y4 of p equal to y0 plus 4h by 3. This is the formula. Substitute all the values what we calculated. You will get this much. Then write corrector formula. This is corrector formula. This is corrector formula. Substitute again all the values. Before that, for substitution, what we need y4 dash. Y4 dash is x4 plus y4 of p divided by 2. x4 is 2, y4 of p is this divided by 2. This one. Substitute that, you will get y4 dash as this much. Okay, this is y4 value. y4 of C 6.8732. No need of this because they haven't asked apply twice. Apply corrector formula. Yes, they asked apply corrector formula twice. So you need to again repeat the corrector formula method. Corrector formula again apply. Y2 will be same, y2 dash will be same, h will be same, y3 dash will be same, y4 dash just this will change. Y4 dash you will take this value instead of previous value. You will take this value. Okay, so you'll get 6.8734. No doubt in Milnes method. If you are clear with Milnes method, I will go to Adams best fourth method. So no doubt in Milnes method. Next, Adams best fourth method. Given dy by dx equal to this much, x minus y square, y of 0 equal to 0, y of 0.2 equal to 0.02, y of 0.4 equal to 0.0795 and y of 0.6 equal to 0.1762. Compute y of 0.8 by Adams best fourth method. Use the corrector formula twice. Use the corrector formula twice. This is the formula, sorry, problem. This is the given problem. First thing is we need to see Only dy by dx should be in left hand side. So already only dy by dx is there in left hand side. So y dash is x minus y square. Dy by dx equal to x minus y square, y of 0 equal to 0, y of 0 0.2 equal to 0 0.02. First, it is similar to Miller's method only. First, construct the table x, y dash, x naught, y, x1, x2, x3, x4, y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4 we need to calculate, y0 dash. Again, it is similar to previous one using alpha. Find out this. This is the formula. Formula is change. These are the two different methods to find out y4. Two different methods to find v4. Sorry, y4. So apply predictor formula. So this is the predictor, Adams-Bashforth predictor formula. This is the formula y3 plus h by 24, 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. You have all the data y3 dash sorry y3 dash y2 dash y1 dash y0 dash. Substitute all the values, you get y4 of p. Then corrector formula, this corrector formula y3 plus h by 24, 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash y3 we have y4 dash. This we need to calculate. Y4 dash, how to calculate? Compare this with given function. What is given? Y dash equal to x minus y square. Y4 dash will be, this is almost similar, only change in formula, that's it. Y dash equal to x minus y square. So y4 dash will be x4 minus y4 square. Calculate that, substitute here, find out, you will get y4 of c. This is first time. Twice we need to apply it. Write formula again, find out y4 dash again, substitute back, you will get 0.3046. Understood? Take this second one. Apply Adams-Weisford method to solve dy by dx equal to of x into xy. Given that y of 0 equal to this, y of 0.1 equal to 1.0025, y of 0.2 equal to 1.0101, y of 0.3 equal to 1.0228. Apply the corrector formula twice to determine y of 0.4. Take this and try. Take this formula and try. If you get any problem, tell me, I will explain. I think you can solve this. That's why I'm asking. Try numerical problems you should solve. Understanding is very easy, but we'll get stuck in between. That's why where you will do mistake, for that you need to solve. No option. If you won't solve, you will not learn what are the mistakes you will do. That's why try to solve. Solve this.